You have entered the AlicePod. Take a seat, sit back, and relax. Hello! So today I am doing a very basic, simple tutorial on how I edit my footage using DaVinci Resolve 18.6. So as you can see, I have opened DaVinci Resolve and you will be met with trying to make a new project. Once you click on that, you get this, and here this is where I imported my media in the media pool. So you right click in the media pool, you will be given a drop down where you will get create a new timeline and create a bin, new bin. Simply click import media and that will take you to your files and you can insert your media from there. Click on your media, you drag and drop it onto the video track, and then I drag and drop my audio down. That creates another audio track. You don't have to do anything there. I am then going to add my intro. I'm going to drop that onto another audio track that automatically appears. I am just cutting off the beginning of it and the end of it to cut it down to the right size. You can move across to the end by clicking on this section here and then clicking at the end again. It'll take you to the end. You can also move it by holding down the left button on your mouse pad and moving your mouse pad from side to side. And I'm going to drag and drop this other audio track. For some reason it glitches and doesn't automatically give you another audio track here. So I just place it on that one, I go to the music tab, you can see it's there, I drag and drop it down and it automatically gives me another audio track line. And later I'll show you here, this is where you change all your audio. Audio 1 you can't see it because there's no audio really on that one there. So I'm going to drag and drop another video onto this line which does have audio with it, and you can see the audio line when I go into the music tab again in a second. For some reason it glitched like this, so I had to press Ctrl Z on the keypad and undo and re-drag and drop it down. As you can see, I'm now going to the music tab to show you about the audio stuff. So here you can see now there's audio on that track, and that is audio 1. I know this one mutes it, so you can mute all your audio tracks. And this is where you move across to any of your other audio tracks, and you can change the level of them. The bus on the end where it says bus, that is your overall sound level, max sound level. As you can see, we are back in the cut tab and you can see that the tracks are muted here. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to keep them muted. So here I am showing you that if you go to playback at the top, you can change the playback timeline proxy resolution, which is helpful when you have many tracks. If you have like 2 video tracks, 3 video tracks, you have text in there, you have pictures and GIFs in there, and then you have your different audio tracks, and you speed it up some of your footage, it can lag quite badly depending on how good your computer runs and all that stuff. But it's okay because you can go to this playback time proxy resolution and you can click full, half or quarter. It will make it pixelated on your screen as you edit, but when you go to render it, which you'll see at the end of this video, it doesn't affect your playback when you have downloaded your video and uploaded it to YouTube. It will just go into HD or whatever setting you put it to go into. So to speed it up, you go to this section here where it says tools. It would say tools if it showed it, and there's a little dial here, and you can type in 3.5 or 4 or whatever speed you want it to be at, and then you just click the enter button on your keyboard and it should speed that clip up. But make sure you have selected that clip by clicking on the part that you want to speed up. Make sure it's got a red box around it, and then that will be the clip that does speed up. So as you can see now, I am playing it because I'm going to cut it, and you just select the track that you want to cut, click the split clip scissors over there, select the clip you want to delete, and then you can do that as many times as you want, whatever sections you want. You can do it on your audio as well, the same thing. You just click the scissors and delete the track, and then you can drag and drop the rest of your track to next to it or further away, wherever you want to position that. And this I am just adding in other part of a video just so I can show you what to do here. To add texting, you go to your editing page, you drag and drop whichever text you want on the side there. Make sure it drags above it so it creates another track, video 2, so it doesn't affect your actual main video line. I'm showing you here that it shows above it. It adds a new track when you go back to your cut page. So here you can see on the screen where it says basic title. I'm going to leave it at that, and I'm going to go to my media pool and I'm going to add in, you can't see it because it doesn't record when I go to my files, I'm going to add in a screenshot just to show you how to size up and size down the different screenshots or GIFs or whatever you want to add on top. You can do the same thing with the text as well. So I'm going to drop it in here. I'm going to click on it, make sure that red marker is there so you see what you're going to see on the screen, and you click on the little square there and size down, size up. You can move it around wherever you want to put it. So I'm just going to position that somewhere random just so you can see how you do that section there. And again, with the basic title, I'm going to change the color of the writing over here. Click color, and it comes up, it doesn't show you on my screen currently, but it does come up with a color wheel, color selection area where you can pick whatever color you want. And now I've gone back to the cut tool to show you that it has come up there, basic title. You can resize that the same way you resize your pictures or your GIFs or your video recording if you're doing a face video. And now onto the final section. I am going to cut this short, because this video here is short, because I don't want it to take so long to render. So I'm just going to clip it down to 22 seconds long-ish and move on to the rendering tab. This is how you save it and into your file so you can upload it to YouTube. You can also upload it straight to YouTube. I haven't done that before, but you can try that. As you can see at the bottom here, it says upload directly to YouTube, but I'm just changing the file name, and you can change the file location, and you can place that file location wherever you want to place it in your files. Obviously in a second I will show you what the resolution and stuff do, but at the top you can see it says YouTube at the top, so you click on that and it will automatically take you to the specifications that YouTube needs. So I'm going to click on that now, and as you can see it's 1920 1080. That's my highest resolution I can do with the footage I record. You can change that. All the other stuff I don't mess with. If you want to get technical with it you can, but I just leave it the way it is. But if you want to change the resolution, you go to where it says resolution. Mine obviously says the 1920 1080p. It doesn't say P on the end, it's just automatically that I say that. But as you can see on this screenshot here, drop down the square, where it says square after it, that is what you would select for a YouTube short video, because it has to resize the shape and size of the video. But obviously if you have higher resolution you can select the 2160 by 2160 Ultra HD square, or just Ultra HD for the normal YouTube video. And if you do select one that's too high for your video footage that you are editing to be put into, then it will tell you that your footage can't be processed into that resolution. So I just stick with the 1920 1080, and I use the 1080 by 1080 HD square, and my videos turn out perfectly well. The quality is very good. It's high definition. There's nothing wrong with it, I don't think. Obviously you can choose whichever one fits you best, but I just do that one. So once you've selected all the things that you need to do on that section there, you can then click add to render queue at the bottom. It will take it over here. Click render all, and then it will just render it and put it into your save location wherever you saved it. And now I'm just going to show you the result of this quick clip that I did doing this editing. I hope this video helped you. If it did, leave a comment. If you would like me to go through anything else in DaVinci Editor, let me know in the comments below. Give me some feedback. Thank you for watching, and again I hope this helps. Bye!